Greetings, Code Explorers. It's Annie here, and I'm thrilled to have you back in the Matrix at the QA Online Academy. I hope you've all been practicing your functions. They are the heart of any program. Today, we're mastering the engine behind most of your loops, the built-in range function. It returns an immutable sequence of numbers, meaning once it's created, it cannot be modified. Let's dive in. The range function is used to generate a sequence of numbers. By default, it starts at 0 and increments by 1. It's incredibly useful for controlling exactly how many times a loop should execute. In its simplest form, range takes one argument, the stop value. If we call range 10, it returns a sequence from 0 through 9. Notice the sequence always stops one step before your specified endpoint. But you don't always have to start at 0. By adding a second argument, you can specify exactly where your sequence should begin. Here, we use 3 and 10. This tells Python to start the sequence at 3 and end just before 10. It's the perfect way to target specific intervals in your datasets. Finally, we have a third argument, the step value. This controls the difference between each number in your sequence. If you need to skip numbers, this is your tool. Check this out. By using 3, 10, and a step of 2, we get every second number from 3 up to 9. This allows you to create complex patterns with a single line of code. Ranges are most commonly used in for loops to iterate over numbers, but because a range object is a unique data type, it isn't directly displayable. To see the numbers, we often convert them to a list. You can loop through them easily, as shown here. And when we wrap our range in the list function, the entire sequence is printed out clearly in the console. Just like other sequences in Python, you can slice a range to extract a specific subsequence. Look closely at the results. The first statement returns the specific value at index 2, while the second returns a brand new range object representing the first 3 items. Ranges also support membership testing with the in operator and the len function to find out how many elements are inside. Testing for a number returns true or false, and len gives you the exact count instantly. This is extremely efficient for managing your logic. Ready to practice? Open PyCharm right now. I want you to use a range to print all the even numbers between 2 and 20, including 20. You have 10 seconds to solve it, starting now. Great job! Let's take a look at the solution together. Ready to see if you got it? By starting at 2 and setting the stop to 21 with a step of 2, we get all the even numbers perfectly. Did you remember to use 21 to include 20? I'm sure you did. That wraps up our masterclass on the Python range function. Keep practicing at home and revisit the previous chapters to keep your skills sharp. Join me in our next lesson where we'll explore Python arrays. Subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok, visit our website, and leave your feedback below. Happy coding!